On the standard automatic gearbox, there are 16 bolt holes from the gearbox to the engine all the way around. On the S653 manual gearbox, there are the same number, except there are some differences down at the bottom here. This, I don't know if you can see that, has actually got a thread in it for M10. That's also got a thread in it. There's an additional position here. This position is actually M8. This is M8. And this is an additional position. So what we've got to do, we've got to drill out these 4 I've marked here with a white pen. We've got to open those out to 11mm, which is the size of the normal clearance hole. Ideally, if I was in a machine shop, I'd drill these on a pedestal drill and make sure it's all perpendicular to the casting. However, obviously I'm in my own garage, it's a bit of a DIY job, so I'm going to use a hand drill and actually step up. We've got the 9.5, this one's 10, and then 11, just over 11. I think we're 7/16, which is 11.1 or nearest offer. So hopefully if I tickle the holes out gradually, I'll maintain the parallel and the perpendicularity to the cast mounting. So these M10 holes to start with are actually 8.4 with to the inside of the thread, so I'm going to take those out to 9mm to start with, these two. Sorry, I can't do it one-handed. I've had to turn the speed of the drill down and use 2 hands to stop it grabbing. Okay, so just measuring the holes then now. We're getting 11.1. Yeah, so the holes are good. Those holes are good. So I need to drill out the smaller holes now. Start at 6.8, so I'll start at 7. And work my way up in 0.5mm increments. So now we've got all the holes drilled out. These 4 are all drilled out correctly. So we got back to 16 bolt points. One thing I do need to do is work out how I'm going to fill up this old gap for a starter, because our starter's up here. One thing I do need to do, I need to take the dowels out of the old auto and transpose them into the new manual. I'll just clean up all this rust, put them in. I'll do that once I've got the clutch in, and we're going to finally assemble it. Also need to put in my new slave cylinder.